Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. The year 2020 has probably been unlike any other or many others that we've ever seen. At least that's true in my lifetime. We've been through a horrible pandemic. We've experienced quite a bit of racial unrest this year, and we just concluded an election that was deeply divided and at times openly hostile. So my reflections this week are going to be on the topic of where do we go from here? What can we as Catholic Christians do to try to make things better in our society? So my suggestion for today first is that we seek to practice civility. Civility in some ways simply means practicing the simple amenities of life. Please, thank you, excuse me, you're welcome. But there's more to it. Civility also involves treating each other with basic respect. To treat someone who disagrees with me not as an enemy, but simply as someone who has a different viewpoint than I do. And finally, to be civil, I think, means in our conversations with each other, to seek common ground, to not compromise our values or compromise our position, but look for ways in which we can agree with each other, even in the midst of disagreement. And so my reflection for today is on civility. It's something that seems to be lacking in our society these days. And if we want to be that which Jesus calls the leaven of the world, then this is one of the ways in which we can help bring that about. Thank you for watching and listening today, and I hope you have a very good Monday.